Nathan.
What?
Best intro ever.
We're in chemistry. Wait, we need to take ours.
And
This is Anna Shelley, by the way.
this is Anna Shelley, and we just did some awesome chemistry experiments, so.
Oh, it's pretty. Check it.
Hi. I haven't vlogged all day, so I thought I would turn my camera on before I leave. I'm going to dinner and other festivities for Gert's birthday because it is today, as you guys may have seen in the last vlog. And I've got his present here. This awesome present, which maybe I'll record him opening it later. And then this awesome card from the Emma people to him, which he doesn't know a lot of them much. Well, most of them actually he knows. That's that. And then there's stuff inside, but you guys just have to wait. Unless I forget to film, because that's highly likely that I will. And Catherine's gonna stay here. On her bed. She never leaves her bed, you guys. She can't. She's not allowed to. Yep. One way or another, I'm gonna find ya. I'm gonna get ya. Have you heard that One Direction cover, guys? Because you should. It is so good. Alright. Well. Adios.
What's up? Seriously? So I'm just hanging out at home. As always, as is my life. And yeah. That's what I'm doing. Drinking some tea, listening to some music. I went to school today. I think I got some clips there, I think. Like 2 clips. And, so yeah. I was kind of excited because I thought that school was going to be canceled because of the snow. But then there was like just a little bit of snow, and then it wasn't canceled, and then we went. So it was really dumb. I was not that happy. But I'm glad now that it's over, that I got it over with and junk. So yeah. I don't really know what to vlog about. I need to catch up on the vlogs because there's 2 that I need to upload today. Oh no. Stop. So. Seriously, guys.
Yeah, I don't think she doesn't do it.
No,
We don't have a theme song. What are you talking about?
Dear Grace is gonna teach you how to do something.
What?
Daily Grace. The girl who was like, stop it, stop cheating. That girl.
Are you vlogging right now?
I don't want to do this. I feel self-conscious.
Yeah.
Why?
Hey, we're in Sam's. We're getting some cream cheese for Gert's
That is not.
birthday cake.
Are you guys making fun of me?
No, just girls.
Oh.
You can't have any tea.
Down Abbey, season 1. Season 2.
Making fun of that girl.
Season 3!
Season 3.
The annoying girl.
It's not out
I
yet.
wasn't expecting that. I just
What?
was like guessing that was
What?
there.
What? What?
You still me down with those electric eyes. No matter how hard I try, I can't escape that gaze tonight. That girl's up in the atmosphere. That girl's up in the atmosphere.
Hey. We're in my room. It's my birthday, if you didn't know. 17. Whoop whoop. But I can't really do anything. Because 17's boring. Stop laughing. I'm trying to be serious. Hey.
Did you just say hey?
Too much crap everywhere.
She's pretty crazy right now. She's tired too.
No, I'm not.
She's yawned.
I didn't just that. I couldn't remember.
Nailed it.
Nailed it.
Oh, I didn't. Still got one. Oh, okay. Oh my god, keep going. So we went to Olive Garden. That was good. Yeah, their breadsticks. Wow. But me and Nathan, my brother, you know him. We saw who could eat the breadstick the fastest, and he won by like 2 seconds. But it wasn't fun. It sort of hurt. There's like all the salt in your mouth, and it's like, what the duh?
Somebody is really enjoying the moment.
I know.
So we got the lights up. I don't think you know about the lights. Lights. For Mary's birthday, this chick. I don't like the way I sound.
What?
Like, I was watching one of the vlogs, and I need to change my voice.
I like the way you sound.
So,
Don't talk like that.
Smoky buns.
Did you eat some of that?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
It was in my pocket.
I know.
I got it this morning.
That's my point.
I got it this morning. Anna gave it to me.
Wasn't that in your pocket? It was in my pocket.
Because we're not allowed to have food
We
at
see
school.
the same facts. Very different.
wait, that's not explain the lights. For Mary's birthday, I put up these lights and like put a table right here, and we had dinner in here. And I just left the lights up because I like the lights. I should probably start enunciating more, because sometimes I think it's hard for people to understand me. So yeah, Tiki is right there. Tiki. There she is. Precious Tiki. So do you guys watch Downton Abbey? I like it. Poor Daisy. I mean, she has a rough life. Oh my gosh, Thomas and Mrs. O'Brien, they need to go back to the pit they came from. Do you want to talk at all? I mean, this is your vlog.
You're interesting, though.
I'm so interesting. I'm dyslexic, by the way, if you didn't know. And I love Monk, the TV show. Not the
No,
religion.
he's a monk.
I'm a monk.
He belongs to an occult.
Monks aren't in cults.
Yeah, they are.
No,
Yes, they are.
not like the good monks.
No, they're all.
Like they'll wear little brown shawls and do like.
They're in a cult. Yeah.
I'm in a cult.
You're in a cult?
Yeah. I'm gonna go to Rivendell Sanctuary. Minnesota, Bloomington.
No.
Sorry. In like 3 years.
Stop.
Byron, that's the ceiling. Hey, we need to be like super excited because we like make this like dramatic. I'm pregnant.
So am I. Just kidding. I'm not pregnant, baby.
This girl Macy started following you on Winello. Hello, Macy. What's her last name? I know it. Smith?
Mhm.
Yes, Macy Smith. Shout out.
It's probably gonna die soon. It's been 4 minutes.
Don't die on me. Live. Okay,
People are
Lord
gonna
Jesus,
think you're the strangest boy.
we rebuke all death in this camera right now. We speak life into you. The Lord God Almighty is protecting you from the devil's
What the crap?
plans. And we declare you to resurrect on the 3rd day. Amen.
It hasn't died yet.
I'm proud of you.
Smaller than it was.
I don't know, maybe. The salad is so good.
I think that's small.
So good.
That's not right.
Bro, won't put that in there.
Don't put that in there, bro. Just edit it out from when he starts talking about college, because no one wants to hear about that.
Everyone wants to hear about my college. I can make myself cry. But not right now.
If you keep talking about it, you're gonna make me cry. So stop
No.
it. Stop it.
Look at my... Oh, the cat died.
Yeah. It's gonna die soon again. Yep. There's.
I don't care, Copper.
I'm in the vlog. Everyone's alone.
I don't care.
But he didn't. We are gonna try to play.
Wait, how did you vote? How did you...
I'm
Mary,
not.
how do you get back to your thing? Like, playing Animal Crossing here. How do you get back to your thing?
Go look at the map. Birthday.
Ring pop. Ring pop. Open up.
Wow.
Sorry.
That's all you gotta say.
Obnoxious.
She got that on here.
Paying taxes. What do I do, Gert? Shut up. Science fiction.
Try a letter. Make it a bop.
Stubbed toes and the hiccups.
Perfect mine.
I don't know which one is yours. Okay, paying taxes. I've never done that.
Hello. So Mary went to Gert's for a family thingy, and I feel. So we're just chilling. Kylie just hit her head on my board or my. It's a concussion. My bed. And Mary left her camera here, so she told us to vlog. So that's what we're doing. So Mary, you should be happy and you should love me forever because you're my sister.